Hi everybody, welcome back to the kitchen here at Little Spoon Farm. So hopefully you've checked out our recipe for the sourdough pretzels. Today I want to show you how to make this really delicious beer cheese dip. So if you want to know how to make this, stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, get out a very heavy saucepan. And to that, over low heat, we're going to add half a cup of heavy whipping cream, an egg yolk, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. You're going to add some mustard. You can also use Dijon and some Worcestershire sauce. Give this a stir and kind of let that come up to a nice little simmer. And then you're going to want to add your beer. Now I'm using Pabst Blue Ribbon, and this is a beer that a lot of restaurants use to get that really classic beer cheese taste. We're going to use a quarter cup, that's all you need for this amount. So next we're going to add our cheese. Now I'm adding 2 cups of shredded extra sharp cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese that you like, but make sure that you shred it yourself because the pre-shredded cheeses have this coating on them to keep the pieces from sticking together, and with this you don't want that in there because it will get clumpy and that's not what we're looking for. So just go ahead and shred your own cheese, and you're going to heat that up for about 30 seconds with the burner on. Turn it off and just keep on stirring until the cheese is nice and smooth, and once it is, you can pour it into a serving dish and serve it up. And I promise you, this is the best beer cheese you'll ever have. So I know that you're going to love this beer cheese dip. It is so easy to make and it stays really nice and creamy. It doesn't get lumpy at all, and it reheats really nice and smooth. So if you like this recipe, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy recipes. So until then, bye.